Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, I told you Beef Brady's is back. Guys, we went back to Beef Brady's today. We had it one time before, right?
Yes.
This time we have the boom boom wings, we have the spicy garlic wings, we have the sweet jalapeno wings, and we have the chili Thai wings. And they're all boneless, okay? We have Big Bertha,
Big Bart.
we have bubbly, raspberry, right?
Nope.
No?
Cherry.
Oh, cherry. Okay.
White peach ginger.
All right. And I got hot
And
sauce
then
on the
dinner
side.
rolls.
Dinner rolls.
Just
Cholula and triple X. I don't know if I'm gonna need it, but I don't know. Let's see.
something to cool
This
them
is
off.
this is blue cheese and what's the other one?
Ranch.
Ranch. Yeah. I was gonna say sour.
Well, let's grab one and let's do this thumbnail.
Let's do this thumbnail.
Oh,
Wait a minute. Oh wait. It's wrong. Hold on. These were good. Oh God. Okay.
yeah,
Wow, those are dark. Yeah. Okay, let's have some fun. Let's have some fun with this. Let that cool down. And let's get to these wings. Let's get to these wings. Okay. Now, ranch. Let's see.
I think that is ranch.
So which one's blue cheese? These are both.
Right here.
How do you know?
There's no green in it.
Yep, this is it. Okay. And then what I said this one was, hold on.
Boom boom.
This one is
And
boom.
spicy
The boom
garlic.
boom is the spicier one of all. Then the next one is the Thai, the chili Thai, and then the jalapeno, and then the garlic. In that order. Guys, don't forget to tap, okay? And tap again the like, share, and subscribe button, guys, and that notification bell, okay? Don't forget to stay positive. Keep your mind positive. Anything around you that's going on negative, try to turn it around into something positive, guys. I'm saying this because I'm going through something right now with my family. And I'm just trying to stay positive, okay? Love yourself enough never to put yourself in any kind of harm's way, okay? Don't let anything or anyone take you out of character and run with faith, okay, guys? Let's do this. This one is the,
Spicy garlic or
oh, God. The boom, boom. This one is boom, boom. I already know how it tastes because this is the second time I've had it. Wow. So good.
I haven't eaten nothing all day.
Nope. Oh my God. Wow. And this one is the spicy garlic. I haven't had this one. I haven't tried this one, so. Take a bite, guys. Take a bite.
Was this boom boom?
This one's good too. You can taste the garlic. You can taste buffalo sauce. So it's garlic and buffalo sauce. And this one is the chili Thai chili.
My favorite.
chili Thai. Mmm. 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 Yes, that one hit.
Look at the smile.
And this one,
That is,
jalapeno, sweet jalapeno.
yep, sweet jalapeno. Those are good too. They're actually all good, right?
Mmm. Mmm. The sweet Thai. That one killed it. Mmm. Actually, this is the jalapeno one, and this is the sweet Thai. Can you remember? It was covered where? Yep.
Yeah.
This one is the sweet jalapeno,
Well,
but I tasted it. And this one's the sweet Thai because this has the pepper flakes. That has pepper flakes. This one is jalapeno. I could taste the difference. I think the jalapeno one is real good.
the crunchy one.
Oh
This
my
one right
God. Mmm. Yes, that one topped it.
But this is something you guys should try
Mmm.
because their food is really good.
Oh
Right?
my God. Yeah. Mmm. 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 Wow. The blue cheese with. I'm gonna try the blue cheese with this piece that I left. It's a different flavor when you dip it in the blue cheese. It's ranch. Okay. This one is buffalo sauce, like buffalo wings.
Boom. This is boom boom, right?
This one. This one is boom boom. And this one is the garlic. She wrote it down and she showed it to me.
Spicy garlic is good.
Yeah, it is.
Right, you can taste the buffalo sauce in it.
Mmm. Wow. This one here though, the sweet jalapeno, my favorite. We didn't get the atomic ones this time. Too spicy, Kevin.
Yes.
Too much.
Too much.
Oh my God. So good. These two run neck and neck. They run neck and neck. Ooh. Wow. Guys, let me know how you're doing in the comments below. We're doing amazing. These wings are amazing. So we got these wings from Beef O'Brady's. Beef O'Brady's. Okay. And they're the boneless one, guys. And the sale is on Wednesdays, right? You buy 10 boneless wings and you get 10 free. So we bought, excuse me, we bought 10, right? Of one flavor, and we got 10 free of another flavor. And then we bought one flavor and we got another flavor. So we got 4 for the price of 2, right? You can't go wrong with that, guys. And we're not going to be able to eat 20 wings a piece. But we got some for later.
Right? Dinner time.
And Kobe can't have none of this.
No.
I usually give him some, chicken, just as a treat. Can't do it. I cannot do it. Because it's too drenched. It's breaded.
He's not even in sight.
No. Mm-mm. He's in the room. Mm.
Yeah, he doesn't care for spicy food anyway.
No. But I bet you if he smells the chicken, he will eat it. If we offer him a piece from here, he'll eat it. He might eat it. Mm. Mm. So good. I'm stuck.
Yeah.
The flavors are popping in my mouth. You see my eyes are watering?
Mm-hmm. No, very good.
Oh my God. I'm hungry.
And it's tender. It's not.
Yeah, they soft. And room for more. Hey. If you don't like burping, smacking, or sloppy eating, see you later. Mm. See you later. Mm. Wow. So good. Mm-mm-mm. Wow. Delicious. Mm. Mm.
Really good.
You full?
Yeah.
Mm.
I eat bread too. So.
Mm. So good. But we haven't eaten nothing all day to right now. So, mm-mm-mm. Let me dip it in this sauce here. You're not going to tell them about the adventure, the pinfish adventures?
Ah. That was a headache and craziness. Oh my God. I know it's something so small and so easy to catch. Why are they so hard to buy? What? Like.
Guys, we spent almost 3 hours going to.
Yeah, there's like 6 of them in the same area. Everybody said the same thing. The one guy that does get them, our friend, he apparently the guy that gets them hurt himself.
What are we talking about?
Pinfish. Getting the
That's
pinfish.
the bait that we use because we're going fishing tomorrow. And room for more. And room for more. We're going on the Queen Fleet tomorrow, right? And we needed pinfish, right? Now, the week before last, we went to T's bait, all right, bait and tackle shop, and we bought 12.5, right? Today's Wednesday. We go there, and they didn't have none. And that's when the adventure started. We went to many different others. We called
Twins Moreno.
Okay.
We called.
Finally, we run into the bait and tackle place that we used to go and just get the shrimp. They gave him the advice, right, to go to Shrimp's Landing. So we drove another 10 miles, okay?
10 minutes.
That was like 10 miles. Anyway, and 10 minutes to get to Shrimp's Landing, right? Consequences, biting. Listen, anyway, um, we finally got the pinfish. He got the pinfish for free because we're gonna go back this evening at 5 to get more for the fishing trip tomorrow.
They're half dead. That's why we got them for free.
Huh?
'Cause they're
It
they're
doesn't
not-
matter, but you got them for free. Whether they have
Yeah.
that or not, you got them for free. Let's be grateful for that. We have to be humble. Okay? Sometimes we have to be humble. Okay? Anyway, guys, one more advice that I haven't said on this channel that's very, very important. Okay? If you think that your actions don't have a reaction, wake up. For every action, there is a reaction, right? When you lie, there's consequences behind lying. So that's another advice that I'm going to give. I'm going to start giving people on this channel. Okay? If you don't want negative consequences and you don't want negative things to come your way, do things the right way. Don't lie. Tell the truth. Okay, guys? With that, I'm going to end it because I have a lot of things on my mind. All right? And I'm full of gas for not eating all day. And I'm going to apologize for the video being late, guys. Okay? I love you so, so much, guys. Okay? Please believe that from the bottom of my heart. Okay? I want to thank you for being here. I want to thank you for watching. Okay? Because you didn't have to watch. You didn't have to watch. You could have been doing something else. Happy hump day. I'm trying to throw everything in there, guys. Okay? Don't let anything or anyone take you out of character, guys, because it stops you from working on your goals. Okay, guys? Love yourself enough never to put yourself in harm's way. Run with faith, okay? And for every action, there is a reaction, okay? For every action, there is a reaction. That's a new one, okay, guys? And tomorrow is Throwback Thursday. We will be fishing. The video will be late, okay? But it will be in. All right, guys? So maybe 7, 8 p.m. My Throwback Thursday video will be on the channel, okay, guys? So let's throw some positive vibes out into that universe, guys, because you're going to get it back. 1, 2, and 3. Get it. I get it. And you get it. I get it. And you get it. I get it. And you get it. Mwah. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Okay, guys?